Hi, I'm Afiq. I'm here at Olin Clinic to do my snoring treatment. So ever since my weight gain, I've been having snoring problems and it has been affecting my sleep, my wife's sleep, and also my daily activity. I feel tired all the time. It was a short procedure, about 15 to 20 minutes. It was painless. You only feel warmth at the area of which they are targeting, especially area of the buccal and also the soft palate.